My name's Rupee Hayes. I come from a kind of hospital and practice background. I've kind of merged into practice predominantly now. Currently I'm locuming for a big corporate company, and I see a lot of things really that I probably didn't quite see before. The practice before was predominantly private, and the corporate company tends to be a bit more high volume. Having done the first part and the second part of the Dawson course, I'm kind of seeing things that I probably regarded as routine or normal before, and didn't quite recognise things as I probably should have, really. So it's a bit of a baptism almost. Your eyes are a little bit more opened after being on the courses. I think in terms of your practice, my practice has changed, and the biggest way to kind of judge that is when your patients turn around and say things like, "That's the most comfortable crown I've ever had," and you kind of go, right, it works. Yeah, or they don't feel it and they've felt other ones, or they felt the one before, or so really when you start to see that, you then look for the next thing and the next thing, so it prompts you to kind of go forward. Then you start suggesting other things like, well, how about bringing this into occlusion, and you start to see other things that you probably wouldn't have paid that much attention to before. You really do start to see things that you might not have thought you've taken on board, but one day you're sort of sitting in surgery and you start doing something and you think, something pops into your head, which was just a quote from Ian or something, and it sort of hits you, and you think, right, now I know what's going on, so you kind of roll into things that way. I think it doesn't really matter whether you're straight out of dental school or whether you're near retiring. Get yourself on one of these courses if you want to become a better dentist, and just recognise things that I can't emphasise enough actually how I probably worked a little bit blind before, and you really do start to see things that you didn't before. So really it's well worth it. I would give the Dawson Academy a go, and even if you just do one part of it, which I did. First of all, I only signed up for the first part just to test the water, but inevitably I ended up doing all 4 bits of the core curriculum, and it's well worth it. Your practice is completely different, so yeah, get yourself on it.